J boy, let me tell you a little bit of my story. Automatically they change how they go for social media. First of all, I'm not born for person husband. He happened to be say the boy they friend me, he friend another woman. I never ready to born. When I come ready to born, pikin come the add. If he come, he go come out. Before God come dash him my pikin 2020. So in case anybody they carry fake rumor, Mona come hear from the horse's mouth. Alright. No should mean I always like to use my story to teach people. So you where they watch now, be learning. So when I born my pikin there 3 months plus, going to 4 months. I carry on go Nigeria, go greet the papa. Okay, as I reached there, one early morning they come wake me for sleep like this. Oh yeah, wake up, wake up, wake up, collect your money. Hey, make a dance for now. Wake up, collect your money, collect your money. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Now so that say wake me one early morning. Say my pikin, you don't born boy for us. We want use it to swear you wa. For those of you who don't be bini, you want me they want use me taste you love me. Taste where their ancestors. Because we have been married for 16 years. Although not be that 16 years I tell you for pikin. When pikin they come when I never ready idea but my they remove one. Now full matter tell they talk on. Okay, now 10 years. Now I tell look for take shake. But thank God, people see they were there 50 years till today, they don't get. I don't laugh there. So they 40 something, they never even get fear. Not talk of this fiancé, not talk of say they want born tomorrow. Please share this video. People love and like as you are watching. Now my story I talk so 2020. Now I come out so I can't go Nigeria. So I reach for flights, fibroid bust. Now they rush me go hospital nearby for Abuja there. Now I do fibroid up 10 days. Now my picky papa they use bola they pursue me around us 10 days. So for those of una where they do fibroid operation, una go do fibroid surgery, una go say una one wait for 3. No wait oh, my own 10 days I take knock. Now so they carry the bola pursue me around us. Now say we now make me. You don't go let my this thing heal. Say don't worry, I go suffer barbara and put. Now we suffer barbara and put. I'm not gonna do again after that. I can't say I better go because I really feel pain. Even that place, once I can't open, I have to go pharmacy. They can't plaster again. That was in March 6th. Now I do that surgery. For May, I did for my sight. I collapsed. Then they rush me go hospital. Now therefore they tell me say you get belle, man. Don't say belle. Now only once I knock. Now my pikin take come. My pikin come as twins. Carelessness, one can come out. And another day now go talk the story of that carelessness. One can come out. This one can't stay. I believe all these 5 months. On a come I did there. Lockdown 2020. All of you now wait, know that lockdown story. Everywhere was locked. No airports, nothing. I have to use charter flight. Say come back for Canada because I say lala ti lala. Please give this video love and like. If you have not shared, share this video at. So that if you hear the upside down story, you now go don't say the woman don't use the man talking story. Now my story. No, when in your fear story, man, now where you go, because it's my story. Who say me go turn on, make it for sweet, make it give her pepper, join or go kill that person. Man, you die, you have to leave here. Because now my story. Okay. So I say I can't reach Canada. I reach Canada August. I say I don't go to watch your son. They say na baby boy. Now I'm come. This one when I talk, so I do court wedding 2010 with my pikin papa for Ikoyi, Lagos. So I'm not born for Percy husband. I not believe if you born for Percy husband, you feel go do court wedding. I here now, now. I am legally married to him. Okay. So I say I can't about my pikin. J-boy did 3 months. Now I say, my papa need to see him. Now carry and go house. The country now he pass papa way boy papa come. Now we take go Nigeria. J-boy did 4 months. I reached Nigeria. J-boy complete 4 months. I think a week after I reached Nigeria. Now the country wait me for early morning for sleep. Say, madam, now boy you born for us, so we need to use you laughing. We need to use this way you know what. We know say now this pikin our pikin because our brother don't tell all the story how you take get the belle, how you take to vaga you and everything. But not me don't be the swear where you want swear. You want your swear general. You bear your one hand na wa when you gbenu dova wa when you gbe monaka beer wa when you feel where you have wa when you want na wa omo na mana rima who under 7 days. Now I say he for say all this of year where we dey so now say now say ma we not put money for person here because we not do traditional wedding. Yeah. We did only court wedding. So you where they watch now people love and like. Now court us say well, I not do traditional wedding with this man. He not put money for my head because my papa say I need to born first. All those why want to do traditional say no, may fair born. Because not say everybody got it day. Some people they put money for their head or mongire. Some people they put money for their head. All the man I go change. So everybody got they take on life. Now my papa don't die since 99, but my elder brother will take over will be my papa now. Because say no get cap be and make this get fair born. You understand? As they consider why you be swear their ancestors. Now say this one away come so now. I'm not married there. Now I carry phone. I call my mama. Mama say swear on now when I do your papa house. You see your papa now traditional ruler. Now every day they use all the wives they swear. My father married 5 wives. Now 5 women and 2 concubines way no boom. My fair blood this one. I don't know what you say wild of na gang up. I don't know to na gang up you do. Now topic they do for year. If you not say not to see my topic they do, leave here, may not carry generational cause they go. Okay. Now my mama say my pikin swear am o. Ave brag boy want to find area. I saw where you know say ete we gian me. Why you go dey fear to swear? Why you not go so now carry phone? I say this my mama say if you too like peace. Now carry phone I call my papa. Now my son brother say I don't want you dey call. If I beg go swear to them, why you sit there swear? Now so I need down. Oh yeah, chop this one. Lick this one. I swear. Because why? Me. He might commit adultery with what though? Okay. Because why? I'm not adulterous. Because why? I feel vouch for my pikin. Say now you are born for. Now you do vaga me. Now only one touch. I take a belly. Joy Motolayo, my darling. Share this video. Now so I taking for my pikin papa, my ex-husband. We were together for some months, then I make 17 years. Okay. And another thing I need to mention. Canada na my first abroad, not do a shower, not pay madam. I'm not also na way do na bat you. But me, mama, you might bash shower there. As I job big, so na 3 body count I get. 3 men I don't follow for my entire life. Canada, now I'm 16 years old in Canada. No man if come and say I don't friend this girl. But some people cannot vote like that for their self because he makulo. Even when I did for Canada, yeah, my ex-husband did for Nigeria. I not buy or buy a Kia one day. I not buy Dido one day. Say make I dey use for myself. Because he must can hear me Kia because I not buy shower before. I not do akuna before. No, my dad not carry me go Italy. Now sponsorship I think in the airport they for give me green card. Okay, so I'm gonna share this video. Now my last story I did also. Now airport. Now they give me my green card. I come to Canada. My transcript from Ekboma. That's why I enter school for year. I enter college. I started to study CSW. One of the social service worker. Hello, no guy, see you. Now my story I dey talk. So I don't commit adultery for husband as one day. They never dat my pikin one day. Okay, more go there. As I come carry my pikin go Nigeria for that 4 months, they call you be swear. You work, can't swear. This is that. We don't say you be our wife, so that we will know. Say even that work, they work for Canada, so they take care of. Now say me, I'm not the bath person. Work and they work. I'm not the bath clients. I be autistic consultant. As an autistic consultant, the only thing I do at my work is to write, document everything we have since for shifting and all day. I go just go there, I go document them. Yes, transcript from Ekboma, yeah. So I go document them. Now they do for my work. Now they say okay, no problem. Say even though they look. So at the end of the day, that before they come back, I say, okay, you know what? I need to sponsor my son, papa. At least make it see get. Although say get a visa, wait till they go come. I can say, okay, you still need to get Canada paper. we can't call lawyer. Now lawyer come to us say the only way you can sponsor, since na papa name really dey passport, una need to do DNA. For those of una wey don't first sponsor, Jima Lizzie, I see you. For those of una wey don't first sponsor, una understand wetin the process of sponsorship be. This one, so I print a whole lot of form, just in case of you a one sponsor. Now they do this teaching. So in case you want sponsor, you dey go Nigeria, you want go meet your partner, just go to cic.gc.ca Canada website, print all the forms, come out. Now they hear me. Now so I take print all the form, come out. As I reach Nigeria, okay. As I reach Nigeria, now my lawyer come to say, even though say you fill this form, you still need to do DNA for that pikin. I say, I don't know if I do DNA for Benin. Who are born for saying no they do? Say which kind of DNA? I say, now true to. We call 2 lawyers for Canada. They say you must do. If you not do DNA, there is no way Canada government can accept this document from you. As far as say that pikin a Canadian citizen, and now you want to bring another man come. As far as say you want to bring another man come, you need to do DNA. Like I say, okay, now come they call people for Benin. They come to say, more go one hospital like that, Lily Hospital, can't go there, they can't charge us, who can't do. They come say that Lily Hospital, they have to send the result to Washington DC for America. And it needs to take about 3 to 6 weeks before it come patient to 6 weeks DNA can come out 99.9. The result they will be for a year. If papa gets the results. So anybody where go stay for a platform, they talk nonsense. That's why they do this teaching. We not the fear DNA because we don't already get them for our file when I was doing my sponsorship. Okay. So let's say I take care of my picky papa of us gonna come Canada. We break up for inside this my house for Canada here. That one I study for another day. You know, concern Facebook people. So lucky, he never quit me tape file. They submit to Canada government. So my picking DNA is with me. We not dey run for DNA for family. When a man is, or public is saying, who you born for, we don't know you born for until go do DNA. So that is the topic. How can you identify adulterous women where they commit adultery for husband as number 1 sign? My blog is idiot. Number 1 sign, when they start asking for DNA, the woman go they run. Okay, that's number 1. Mama, let them talk. You want them no? No, na teacher they do. If you see my pikin, na photocopy of your papa. I not follow woman drag. So anybody wait there for a platform, they create up or down. You might go and see me. I don't born. Now do the reality is the apple for my eye. Okay. So to identify woman where they commit adultery for husband as you go seek this group of women, they don't use their husband to talk to it takwen. Una way not be binary, they call it takwen. Poppy, ping pong. They go tell their husband say, yeah, go here, the man go here. Because why? The adultery they constantly commit. Thank you, mama. The adultery when they constantly commit don't spoil the man brain. It go come make the man they be like brain where they use channel battery. That is how to identify an adulterous woman. Me do DNA too if it easy make. You know, do you understand? That is how to identify women where be say that they commit adultery. If you take a look at their husband go make te fiete. It go make fun. The man not go get say. Because some of this group of these women, they see they do a bow, they do jazz, they press the spirit of the man down. Because some family they will be say if you just commit an abomination, the spirit, the gods of the land go start to they pursue you. So you where they look me now, where they think and now say you want cheat on your husband. Make sure say you know how the gods of your husband family till they react. Oh yeah, take. Make sure say you know someday as you just they commit the adultery. Okay, well, someday it go take months. Yes. There's one story where this one so I know person where I put to where I want to talk. You know those time of them Odubu. I'm on live video. You know those time of them Odubu. He get one of my very close family friends that time.
Oh, please.
That time she they do campaign.
Sorry.
Go and take it. That time she they do campaign for politics. One day for War 2, Odubu can't share money. As Odubu can't share money for everybody, not knowing say Odubu don't definitely like this my family friend. Now lady, she get husband, go to your room. To your room. He don't feel they like this woman. I wear this woman for marry. Now family where be say they are even what they cash where. As Odubu can't share money for everybody. This woman carry money, put for handbag. After the woman they stay for Oko Central. As the woman enter house, he want just cross leg enter door. Now say it for he just knock her for ground head see the rush and go hospital. As the rush and go, hey boy, what is meaning of this now? Take it out from here. Okay. As the woman for the rush and go hospital because we're family friend that time they call me say come on sis you she don't fall. I say why she better go your for go your knock her blood yeah. If you say they can't have to scrape the hair for them. Pull off and like and share this video. Now we tell her go. This woman can't spend 2 good days for hospital because she need to do scan for head. The result need to come out. In Nigeria, the artists on the fast. They can't discharge this woman. Money where that Odubu dasher that time was still in her bag. As she come for up to she went to house again. She fall again, knock the other side again. It's here. Now there the woman can't carry for call your husband. That time the woman phone. That this is stop. Add what?
Add cheese on the noodles.
I added already. There's cheese on the noodles. At that time, the woman husband there for Denmark. Now the woman cut us say something they go wrong. Why ain't go just they fall the knock head, the head go just the tear. Pull off and like and share this video. Now the woman can't call your husband. Now your husband cut and say call our Okagbe. Our Okagbe now be the elderly man for the family. Please share this video. Pull off and like. If you have not followed this page, follow this page. Because now you want for the talk about women where they get for word or women where they commit adultery. Now this page one for the talker. As the woman, they can't call the Okagbe. The Okagbe can't have to go meet the woman for hospital. The Okagbe can't tell the woman say, as they discharge you, just come our family house. Now so they take go, the woman take go family house, so they can't go consult. They can't tell say the woman commit hour. Now the woman say, not woman not too clear for her. Because when she hour he commit, he not too clear for her side though. He not sleep with man. They can't tell the woman say, but hour day your body. That's why you dey fall for the month. Which hour you do? You say you not do any hour. Do so when they talk, so they don't enter outside, they throw rack or they check. Now they say the woman not go fit enter the house, so the woman not go fit cook for the man children again. Now ask girl can they cook for the man children. Before you know what happen, now they can't detect say, now the woman age, can't say money where man where fair they toast you give you. It dey inside your handbag, and I see that same handbag. You dey see if you land it again, I will fling the iPad again. That same handbag. Now she dey carry the one thing enter house. Now make her she dey fall. Ozogbaga no. Ozogba. What am I trying to say? You where they think of say you want go, you dey do that thing. You don't be say man carry Ebola put for your. They could not be a wow. Sometimes, if you really marry some traditional men. Another man go owe you like this for Uruabo, Awala Wegbene. Another man go dash you money for outside or dash your baby money. You reach out to not tell your husband. Because some family in your wife fiancé so. Adultery don't already come. When they talk about in your wife adultery, some people go your feel say man need to chook bola for your because no, not in all cases. You need to know the family where you marry enter. Some family in your wife not the follow person they play at all. If you just some even the man reject food for your hand. Maybe you give your husband food, he not eat. Or he go reject him. Hey yeah, he go reject no, now just pet me. Wait you mama na J boy. Them still they call your son. No, my pikin not be J boy. So if the man say he not go eat, you carry that food, go dump, you not beg the man. Some family you know what the woman go begin get headache. Please follow this page for me. Follow and share. So you need to identify the one where your family. Sometimes you feel even ask your husband, say, honey, how you what they react. For example, now I just go for road now, man dash me money. Now what they react. It's at time women start to ask this question. Because if you don't know how your own family and you what they react, it's not good. So men they not go sit tell you, but it's better they start telling the women. Because if to say that woman now, she fall now head now your pass there go, don't go be that. Ara you there prophet or native doctor say na wakila. No say the woman never do vaga. Now just because of simple money. Just because of simple money we man we fair toast and dasha. Or te was sunji. Are you understanding me? Some of all these women, they'll come, they look for native doctor, we go do small, ebo, where they go, they chook for nyash, test it down, take bath, to the bath and come on for body. So if you there, yeah, you be that kind of woman where believe, say, you go fit go sleep with another man, you go fit come bath and come on for body, and see, 10 years not be forever. 10 years is not forever. You feel say you dey do one now, that native doctor they do the juju for you now. You they use that the bath now. As you they use that the bath, you know they catch your husband, your they okay. The day will affect you. Do you know that some abomination day where you go do for your husband and you go kill your pikin? Okay, go money. One a boy and girl go fair collect one for your pikin before you go start to the affect the man. You understand? Before, if you might just do abomination at the man, I don't sense since then, and I say most of them they turn their children to him best side. Some of them that begin to begin where fair day brain like go begin the door. You understand? Different things. So you need to identify. And you will just put back for a bow. I can do or not do. I get that and I'll tell you about fancy. Be very careful. May not buy your picking. Because if you say you dey bath and come on for body now, you are committing that adultery now, you dey bath and come on for body. A day go come, you not go remember to bath am. Because person where they use your body they bath every day. Mama teach me your language now. Hey, yeah. You where they use juju they bath every day, you believe say you want a day go come. Where uloma ro, you know say they call uloma. Where be say you need to really ori do come on for us. You not go remember use that bath. Who you assume where way. Because person where they don't give juju now say take the bath. Even this social media way they so even so you web where you can live video. I don't see them. They will carry juju. I want to be the best. I want to be the number one. I want to number one why ya dirige keno. I want to be the one. I want everybody to say that me be the best. Inyaga web, inyaga say only say inyaga say koshet, inyaga say egbe ya fe. But at the end of the day, I make any go. Bible say, what will it profit a man when he gains the whole world and lose his soul? If everybody for social media now this blow up now can't follow you, you can't make the money. What will not be your what you go tell your Baba God? Person comment, my husband use me to swear, confirm, I be proud, confirm, comfortable as well. God bless you. I say this cyber space where we did so if you ever we live video when you wear bosse. Are you total nisa? Make views for come. Make views for come. And see on cool where they do one. What of if you consider for live video 20 million they watch you make the money? And then what will it profit a man? When you now lose your soul and you gain the whole world. Is they fine? Good evening, my darling. So that is it. Now, adulterous women want the advice for this page. You where you use adultery, not to turn your husband to what don't get your shit. Don't use the man to turn to people. You see that boy. Now for this live video, we they see us some people take they to their husband, people. Without being told, you already know say on it man, can you kese. It don't go. It is better to be a single mother than to you to say you dear husband ass. E monu biye awon we DNA jo e o aseti ujo you know go fit do your man go do igbe our no wa single mother no wa comfortable no wa gallant e boy dey in better pass some married women wey dear husband ass wey use their husband talk to itakun. It's say one woman wey say na snake cross her head confirm say na the ace and man get the baby. If the snake had beaten her, she will die because of adultery. You see, this topic na topic what they do for this page because a lot of things are going on. We are not doing this topic every time. To you where they watch me, you be single mother. It dey better pass. So women dey their husband bola not they stand again. They need to go buy AK rubber to the use. Is it not better you live than to be with a man you go to use rubber pen instead of do yourself? Have a cake benny ye man in the water. Or man or the cake rubber ladder. Or your zin a jake away. There is no need. So if you are a single mother, it is even better for you to be a single mother than for you to say you get husband for yourself. Say What you want to use that kind of man to do? That's why some women go to tell their husband, shut up. They want don't pass them. I say, are you crazy? I didn't like video. They command their husband anyhow. Because why? Ni gire toto. O they are not getting a kia me vie kwe or gele fear in obalo. A woman want to control such men. Man where be say go fit to faga wife, where go satisfy, if sleep go take her. You cannot control trust men because they know what they carry. But by the time the man don't they say, he don't they say his duty as a man. What he done that there don't be like a bond done where they pour hot water. If the woman so you stand up, you go stand up, you sit down, you go sit down. They will not start to control the man because you know why? Nothing the man can offer. Money, nothing. Now the woman will come become the breadwinner. And another thing, una will be men where they make una wife to be una alpha and omega because of peanut, because of money, peanuts. Una don't sell una birthright. If you check today marriage, the women are the men, while the men are the women. For me to be in husband as make I use my husband turn to a woman, make me come be the man. I rather remain single. Only what the was one. It is better to be a single mother to be in a war's war. When you go come the husband as now you come be the man of the house. They use chairs do everything. Then the man come begin to behave like woman. We are not supposed to say you know any man. Yeah, this is my page, now my other page.
I want water.
You understand me now? It is better. Oh yeah, take. It is better. Where be say person go say single mother. Single mother is not a cause. Person wey come up for husband and say husband as tired, or if they receive basbos for there, or the one way she go take back. It is better you come out for your sanity and you are alive than you go back. Oh, we no say na she back for husband house because of the fear of they will mock me as a single mother. Now make us in a chic pie. The fear of what will people say. Now make us in a chic pie. I also was thinking about that. I say, oh, as I want you to break up with my ex-husband now, they'll say this girl don't go do marriage. Oh. You can't break up your marriage. You can't see come back to this man. You can't see break up again. I just say, you know what? Let them say. Because if I still remain there, anything happen to me tomorrow, the people that I was saying they will still say, well, again, you're digi. They know you got now see people like una where single mother be una biggest problem. So now first you laugh. Why you bury single mother? Why you ain't single mother? Or was saving you be single mother? Single mother? Is it not better to be a single mother, to be under a man, the fuck another man for her side? Is it not better to be a single mother and you can vouch for your child? Now my own picking when I talk, so I have a DNA. Is it not better to be a single mother, gallantly, unshakable, as a soul? We are for commodity, they call me to come back. As you even here, we come back, we still need you. If I'm not good, they go see they beg me to come back. It is better to be a gallant single mother. You go achieve something. I love it to say I get husband for. I make her they put chairs for outside every day. I go buy phone. Now me buy am. I go they pay house rent. Now me go they pay house rent. Leper bill. Now me go pay. Light bill. Now me go pay. Madam, you are a single mother. If you are in your house and you pay all the bills in that house, you are a single. You are as good as single mother. You not the husband house. So mother start to they say single mother, single mother will come up forever. Better person away the husband they commit adultery. You guys should stop in why may nobody affect on our children. 10 years not be forever. He never affect them. Let me say not go affect them tomorrow. A lot of marriage women day to day where be say half of the children where they born and other people get them for outside. If they get 4 children, 2 now outside, now 2 maybe now they want be the man where this house with them. Adultery everywhere. Everywhere they smell for our film where be way move for. Is it not better you just tell the man say, oh guy, since your bola no understand again, I want to take a walk. So while I go pack your bag and baggage, so while live your life you here. You don't pack your bag and baggage and live your life in peace. That for you to live, man where bola no understand again, you go for this side, so you go buy rubber penny, they choose by yourself. Only that one are crazy now. That's why they will call live video, they'll call a crazy up and down, they knock bed, they knock everything. They zuo, because you give me a kiak bone. I'm an idol kind in your way. What kind of life is that? Not be to marry. The question is, are you happily married? God bless you, Mommy 3D. Do you know how many women that are married that are not happily married? They wet their bed with tears. Now this social media me for since 2 a.m. Presenter every year or a live video 2 a.m. I been no that day 1:30 a.m. he go they call me. Mama, you know enter live video. She there for Spain, no. She go call me wait there for Canada. You know after what be time for Spain? He go say 1:30 a.m. Where marry here? This is a married woman. I go call girl husband for us. 1:30 I go they look for who they live video they go. God forbid bad thing.
Mommy, I'll stay with you.
No, come down. I don't want you to show on this live video. Go and watch your iPad or you go to your room. God forbid bad thing. Tell when I will tell you number 3 rounds. Mega we got me now.
My letter.
Mega me now. Now I want to pack it here. Oh yeah, go. Now that time I go they look for who they live video, not they live video. 1:30 a.m. That is to show you that a lot of single mother better pass a lot of married women. So you where they watch me now, J-boy, stop. Take it back. You where they watch me now, don't let anybody underrate you because you are a single mother. Don't let anybody push you aside and make you feel uncomfortable. You will become a single mother. You know the reason why you left. You know the reason why you became a single mother. Okay? That is what I'm saying. I am teaching. I know you do saga. No, I do saga. Now teaching and I teach. So learn now. Because you cannot say you dear husband Bola no they stand again. You will go the battle by a Kia. God forbid bad thing. What of one day you're the kind, you go come out for your mat or your children can't catch you. That's why some of our children not to write on me bat. They don't get respect for una again because of different way watching where they don't come see for una hand. That is it. So if you know say you be single mother and somebody there somewhere they say single mother say my sister, just off you go there and say I am better than you. As a gallant single mother. As I be single mother, so I will tell you, say, oh, I get 20 years for Nigeria. This house that I did, so I buy on cash. This one that I do, so I buy on cash because I'm a single mother. I cannot be married. I be claiming. I dey pay my bill by myself. I dey pay my mortgage by myself. I dey pay water bill by myself. I dey pay my account. Yeah, he married, ba. What I come married for? Just the title of I'm married. God forbid. I'm not even say I'm married, make I do everything for man where I'm married. That means I'm not the man of the heart. That is what many married women are doing today. Married women go then I go to pay children school fees. That for if you bear wage you over. And we now as opposed where CKO family now. If not be saved, may bear cry come out now. How we want to know say your husband for his house now bear way. That is what we are talking about. A laughing I go my. Not they look person for this side, they wish, say, I wish I be this person. Because you don't know what they are going through. You don't know what they are passing through. Do you know how many married women where they tell me, say, Violet, oh, I wish I all be like you. May do here with you. Why you don't want to you go to pray and be like me? Say, my sister, I go away with my energy. Anyway, what's happen? Oh, if I be you, I don't go just do marriage again. I just see boy where you're like you're born, my pikin, your rest. Me go there laugh. See what person where the husband has go there advise me say make I just born, my pikin, make I rest. Oh wait, I dey look for I want take come out. I dey look for small error. Do you know how many women they tell me say that they look for small error to come out for their marriage? Egbe wenya ne. They don't tire. So you were dey bold. It takes boldness for woman to break marriage. To tell the man say, F off. I don't need you. Boldness. Now let woman wey get low self-esteem, I go dey maltreat and go there. Eki agi wina, I gotta take care of buhuga, I gotta kenya juhuwe. Ukba. The man go see maltreat you, not go. The man go be too blue black, one eye. Why can't you live it up by the paddle of your glasses? Jao, na me cannot beg. Uje rekba. You go see there. Some of una said the man family no even need una. You not like una. You not accept una. But una see there. Where are you when you are bad? Because I don't want to be a single mother. A single, if I go tell una say single mother, sleep where people will get husband for stars. A single mother who came a single mother of year, he go cry, take sleep in the hard. Now married women now they cry sleep. I be married women. How many of their husband they sleep for 7 days a week? Married women. Una will scatter table leg. Una husband go turn and say, my supervisor call me make I can't do overtime. Or you walk by or the backpack. You don't go meet side chicken. You don't go meet side chick. But you go day inside, they say I go feast with my husband. Once he close for the house, they come. But Saturday, Sunday, they for side chick ass. What might be a bed? Do you know how many married women only that they sleep their bed? They say the vie more kagbe. But they are married women. If me will be single person, they carry my pikin, put her for one side of my bed, sleep for her. And when a married woman go see pack your children, sleep, husband on their bed with you, my sister will be the same. We are the same. If you can be paying your rent by yourself or your mortgage by yourself, paying electricity bill, water bill, gas bill, all the bill, and me will be single mother, they also they pay the bill by myself until you are not a married woman. You are a single mother just like me. Just like me. You see all this set of women, what they do? I did it by myself. I bought it by myself. I did it by myself. Look at their life. Their husband and people for his house. It's nothing to write on me back. But now they go, they do galant pass. If you see them, you go, they say, where are you? Oh, Dimo, I went bored of you. And my sister, Amalawano. No ever look person marriage to wish, I wish that you did that marriage. Social media na fake life plenty pass. Husband and wife go just call it now and they go break each other head now and the woman will call live video. Or you want my father a kufi on down. Or you want to tap for no and we go back back. It cannot break you while you before you go away. Or you want a live video. I want to come and motivate you people. You know, in this like, hey, you wait, no. You go feel say really want to motivate you. You want to keep the pre. A lot of married women when they do blogging, a lot on their online. A talent do a talent show me that the prayer yagbe. Or the man when you see to judge of my gbe. Husband not sleep with them where he not chook out for their bekus where he go call a live video come pour out the anger. Now you go see some people they analyze another person matter. Or more good baby matter. But una they by themselves they use on brain they say now analyze be this one. Why you call the do and see say maybe now you just get the matter. Because why? Man where they put them for us and they come back and they put the man for us. They call live video, come they say they want analyze that person video. You dey analyze person video, you dey more gungbia a video. Because why? I think no say if he cut live video night time is nothing. A married woman go dey live video 4 hours. They get we are down again not done. When you come to take off your husband, a married woman. You sit down your platform for 4 good hours and nothing to write on about. Even the topic where you talk, you know they get sense, you know they go front, you know they go back. Just to keep the pre. The pre. Alright, time for no you you fan. You know how many married women who say they go give their husband rubber dildo so those kind your when go working winner. The man go there they do like this and say that make us married women. The day where they are go see come and I go say na prank. Since they go on for this life. So you will be say your marriage tire you auntie. Don't go and be seeking advice for wrong place. Bah. I would be na me bagbon. Ebi na me bagbon na me can say kedana way. And anything where they happen for this life, not be you start, not be you go see end down. Marriages are breaking every day. People are getting married every day. Wedding is going on every day. Court are doing divorce every day. So the night is like boys. Before your mama even born you, single motherhood has been existing. Single fatherhood has been existing. Before they even born you, all this thing what they see. So they like where is now. So that is it. Advising adulterous women. That is this page name. Please give this page a follow for me. Put love and like and share the video. Any video you see on this page, share it. Now here I'm for come the advice adulterous women. Women where not if they put that make us for one place. Women where they everybody they ask a bring DNA, you might the DNA. Women where be say they will get 5 children, only one will be their husband. Oh, the rest now, Peter get one, Josephine get one, Paul get one. They cannot vouch for the children where they get. Now this page will come to talk all of them. So you will never follow this page. Go and follow. Now here will for come they give them. They make their head for the correct. You will believe that you get a bow where you go take the bath and come off for body auntie. One day where you go forget to use that your elbow. Uloma gidi wa to ame egbe yiri. Wo yere ya saba menu ya hwe. Wa igwa ahinya moto na eme break your la wewe. Motor wey not get break you me if you don't go. You don't go. So that is what we are talking about. Edo not guy, if you are not finished this shit come anywhere. You understand? So please Stop adultery. Stop doing that abominable thing to your husband. Stop turning your husband to people, physically, spiritually, or otherwise. Stop it. Let your husband be the man of the house. Don't be taking their title from them. Okay, may I block this person? Wait, just they comment. Mama, how you they reply? May I see the person? Not be saga now. When they talk about saga. So please, I hope you guys are learning. I don't want to make this video to be too long. I don't get time to do 4 hours video. I get picky, cute boy at that. Eh? So attend to. I'm not confident down for live video. Make a call for live video. Can they let you hear when I get baba like I'm not frustrated? No. Okay. So please, on this video, I don't talk more of my own story. I don't talk my own small story. When you know say you know say you trust yourself, and your husband or people are rather asking you to go and breed DNA until go do. By the time you are running away from DNA, because a lot of women now, DNA, where you learn it, because why? They don't trust themselves. Even when my son, they do not say, we need that for this paper. If we don't do, this paper don't go fit go. He said, now you know. I say, no worry, if we reach there, they go call you, may you come. And so they do it for inside tongue, inside mouth. 99.9. A day will come and see show now for live video like this. My mom. I thank God. Say I still born put. You might be over. So anybody where be say you they feel inferior, or you there for husband house, or you there for husband house, you still they look for picking. He never come. My sister, patient. Not let anybody push you until they mock you. Maybe you can't go the wrong way. God's time is also always the best. Wait till God give person. A success me on my J-boy is 3 years and 5 months. Till today, as I thought, I did God, he never go hospital one day. Where they sick, it never happen. Because why? Also, nobody me. Do I way God give person off for like be? Okay, and you will see the feel say you want a mock person today. Because you get 3, you get 4, you get 5. You the mock who get 1. Remember, they will never break. Now plenty pass. Now. Now plenty pass. When we go away, over evil. So now ways are being mock people. Ways are being mocked. Now I get my picky. Now I get continue and see where mumu. Continue. A doctor where my day you where one and guy fian woo you we are. Where my day I when like dead sites. Okay, now go along. You know how many people where you born they are picky today. It's that the way you're picky. Go say I don't know you can't come on one day. I not seeing again. It they happen. Canada, yeah, don't first happen. They not go feel know where the part of their picky. Or war or fail. They don't know. So you always have been laugh person get one picking now because you get 3 or you get 4, you get 5. Until tomorrow, one for inside, nap fit cut one for inside. Or 2 for inside, nap fit nap and come out. Never say never. Every night you go there, yeah, man. If you want insult person with 20 the person, but they say you dey crazy, you dey man, you ugly, and it's okay. Say you would or you bug better honey. You can't begin to insult the person, mama. Can't begin go to insult the person picking or the predicament where the person pass through. You are mocking God. The same God when you say you they serve and you they mock. Not be that person. Make some of you they get sense. Any ya haya saga any ya talajan wunu. This mouth, Bible say it lies life and death. You feel use this your mouth to talk something, else you wugwe. You feel use your mouth to talk something, it will give you more life, more prosperity. So nobody are there, but we're there. This same mouth, who are going the wrong person go on. Or man you when a life you walk out a shot. Now this mouth is there. Now this mouth now is there. But they careful. Now God, now only God know tomorrow. People dey. In here be your mom, her order here. Help me see that they are if you. Your body la jambo. Mona dey careful. Not be everything but today. Everything I saga one. Because we my lag bon for what get around. Man is on a poop. Una ige kekebo. But remember one day that ebo go fade. It go fade you abo. Obo wu ni a bo na we pastor wu. A pastor wu ni a TV Joshua Magi wu. So that is it. My people, I hope you guys have learned a lot today. Please, adulterous women, it is better you live than committing adultery inside your husband's house. It is better you live than put body for that boy where you wanted a path. It is better you become a single mother than constantly wetting your bed every day with tears. Or no why single mother or master or why here. Then Nigerian, I not do anybody explanation. Only my pikin now go explain to if I need to. Me cannot come in meda. But I still owe myself. 16 years in Canada, no man don't cross my leg. In my bashawo there. Una way don't do olosho for all the country, pay my down. Now una go sister now say no one see cost person we never even noticed they call ashawo before. Not be juju be that.